Kenyan troops are advancing towards a town called Afmadow. Al-Shabaab fighters are also heading to Afmadow, according to reports. The fighters have been deployed from Kismayu. Al-Shabaab's leadership in Mogadishu wants Kenya's forces out of Somalia, or they will retaliate, they say. Kenya's pursuit of Al-Shabaab has been met with mixed reaction here. While some say the move is long overdue, many are concerned about the implication this could have on the country's security, while the more skeptical analysts say that this is just a public relations show of might that will not achieve much.
They don't have the kinds of equipment that the Kenyan forces have, but they don't really need that. They can move tactically in and out of territory with a great deal of ease.
This professor argues that Kenyan forces do not have the capacity to fight a group such as Al-Shabaab.
Do they know who they are looking for? Absolutely not. Do they know where these people are? No, they don't. Do they have a real force in Somalia in the form of a government that can provide them with logistics and intelligence? Of course not. So they are shooting in the dark.
Somalia's transitional government, however, supports Kenya's military move.
Kenya is a sovereign country. It has its right to defend and protect its people, its territory, and really defend. And we, as Somalis, we don't want the insecurity coming into Kenya.
The first casualties of the attack are 5 Kenyan soldiers who died when their helicopter crashed just after takeoff at the northern Kenya-Somalia border town of Ibori. The military says so far there has been no resistance from Al-Shabaab in Somalia, but no chances of being taken, as this could just be a lull before the storm. Catherine Soy, Al Jazeera, Nairobi.